Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Pridmore and we are on grade 2, module 7, lesson 14, the application problem. All right, let's get started. It says, Frances is moving the furniture in her bedroom. She wants to move the bookcase to the space between her bed and the wall, but she's not sure it will fit. What could Frances use as a measurement tool if she does not have a ruler, and how can she use it? Show your thinking using pictures, numbers, or words. Okay, so basically, boys and girls, they're wanting for you to understand that if she doesn't have a ruler or a standard unit of measurement, what could she use? Well, I think we should start with a picture, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is draw her bed. Now let's imagine this is her bed. I'm gonna write bed here. You don't have to. This is her pillow, okay? Now this is the space between her bed and the wall, okay? So I'm gonna just give it almost like we were doing a tape diagram with a question mark, okay? Now I'm gonna imagine that this is her bookcase. Bookcase. So she wants to know, will this bookcase fit here? But she doesn't have a ruler. Now what could she use to measure it? So we're talking about items that are already in her room. Well, guys, what goes on a bookcase? That's right, books. So I'm going to draw a picture of a book, right? How can she use this book to measure her bookcase and this space in between the wall? Well, if she flipped her book over the long way, she could line it up with the edge of the bookcase, right? She puts it down on the floor. Imagine this, right? This is laying on the floor. Then she takes her pen or her pencil or a piece of tape and she marks where that book ends. Now she picks it up and she puts it right where that mark was, right? And she is going to lay it down again. She's going to mark where the book ends. She's going to pick it up, put it back, mark where it ends. She's going to pick it up, put it back again, mark where it ends. And one last time, she's going to put her book down. And then she's going to say, okay, this bookcase is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books long. Now she's going to need to do the same thing between the wall and her bed. Now, if the space between her bed and the wall is more than about 5 book lengths long, then this bookcase will fit there. But if it's not, let's say it's only 4 book lengths long, then it won't move there. It won't fit, so there's no point in her moving the bookcase. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm going to pretend that she lined this up, and sure enough, it worked out. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 book lengths here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 book lengths here. And so I'm going to say she could use a book to measure the length of the bookcase and the space Now, when I say this space, I mean the space between the bed and the wall. Boys and girls, I wrote this sentence super duper fast. Please don't copy it, okay? Miss Pridmore just really wants you to understand that that's what she could do if she did not have a